In this assignment, I learned that a lot of people actually didn't fight and agreed with a lot of the illusions and stuff like that we did. With the why do they see the illusions the way they do, a lot of it was because of the angle they looked at it, their perspective. If they turned the paper, like on the shepherd's table one, if they turned their head, a lot of them turned their head. If they turned it, if they measured it with their hands, they could see that it was the same, but they had to change the perspective the way they looked at it. A lot of it, the optical illusion one, they had to find a focal point. They had to like see the middle and then see the stuff moving around it. Like, with that one, if they looked at it directly, they could see that there were circles, but if they looked at it as a whole, they thought everything was spiral. That was kind of like a half and half. A lot of people saw the circles, some people saw the spirals. A lot of it was the similarity, like the Gestalt stuff. They grouped it, seeing the similarities of the triangles and the circles. Like my little brothers saw they saw the circles. They saw the Pac-Man. That's what they saw, with the circles. But my sisters and then a couple other people saw the triangles. They saw the different triangles and how they cut off the circles. They saw the triangle part of it. And then the subliminal persuasion and does it work? A lot of people thought along the lines of it makes you believe something, like in the circles and stuff like that. It makes you believe that this is what it should be. Like in the A and B shadow one, it makes you think that way. But a lot of people actually knew this one and got it right with it's the delivering the message of the to the mind without like the human brain noticing. And my stepdad that works with the radio stuff knew that this one was true because he said that, for example, there was like a truck commercial or something like that, and they had like milliseconds of a hamburger pop up, and it showed studies that almost everybody went and bought a hamburger because they were hungry. That's what they wanted. It was a persuasion subliminal message that showed them that that's what they wanted. But other than that, a lot of people answered a lot of the same. They used a lot of the same like concepts and perspectives and stuff like that, and that's kind of what I saw when I was interviewing the different people and the way that they saw these illusions.